good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. So, maaga po tayo sa ating waiting station. Dito po tayo sa harap na ayan, Santa Monica National High School or High School. So, magandang panahon guys. Kung napapansin nyo, maaga po tayo. Kasi waiting tayo sa car ng ating kasamahan going to school. Mahirap kasi pag wala kang masakyan papunta ng iyong workstation. So hard. Kaya waiting muna tayo kay Ma'am Jay. So nandito tayo sa harap nandito po tayo mismo sa isang Tapsilogan. Yan. So it's weekend. Happy weekend. Happy Friday to each and everyone. And there is a good news sa mga government employee for today. YB. Just in na YB. Nag-chat maaga pa. Just in na si YB sa mga kaguruan. So, enjoy and spend our money wisely. It's weekend. Address ang madam today kasi magkakaroon kami ng second quarter recognition day sa school sa ating mga learners na nag-excel for the second quarter, and ganun din sa ating mga MEP learners. Sa mga walang work dyan, so enjoy your rest, your time with your family. Medyo makulimlim. Look, makulimlim at nagbabadya ng pag-ulan kasi kahapon po pa uwi kami, walang ulan sa school, pero nung on the way home bumusang ulan, pero may mga part na wala naman ding ulan. So sabi ng based from the news, may papasok na bagyo ngayong weekend, so hoping na hindi naman tayo makaranas ng sobrang lakas na ulan or hangin, whatever it is. Guys, wala pa yung ating service, so enjoy na lang muna natin dito. Samahan niyo muna si madam sa ating morning hintay-hintay sa ating service going to school. Nag-enjoy naman po ako sa aking workstation, and school namin has potential teachers and learners. So yun po ang trabaho natin, ma-ensure na magkaroon sila ng magandang performance, both the teachers and the learners as well as the school. So andyan na po si Ma'am Jay, tatawid na po tayo. Anyway, that's it for this morning. Thanks for watching.